in a Nissan GT-R. Next to me is an Audi R8 and next to that is a McLaren 720S. And we're going to have a drag race. It's a 2015 car. It's been built, this engine, and it's now 4.1 litres. Built gearbox as well. It's a 6-speed, 1,600 horsepower and 1,500 Newton meters of torque. 1,750 kilos, 150,000 pounds. Could have that Audi R8 with its 5.2 litre naturally aspirated V10, 1,200 horsepower, 930 Newton meters of torque. It's got a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox. It's got all-wheel drive, just like this GT-R is all-wheel drive. Launch control, obviously. It's lighter than this car. It's 1,650 kilos, 1,400 kilograms, that thing. 1,100 horsepower from its 4-litre twin-turbo V8, 950 Newton meters. It's got a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox, but it's only rear-wheel drive. These cars have been lent to us by, so this one is from Ricky, that Audi is from Auto Talk, and that McLaren, it's PPL tuning to the guy who I've got in the Audi. He got the skills to be able to drive that car.
Working on how beautiful this car is, and we did a lot of aerodynamic running in it to make sure it works on.
Oh. 2,500 RPM. Just floats and the wheels are just spinning. It's just like floating. Is anyone else there?
I launched well and I was happy with mine.
So we were in launch mode. It just decided it didn't want to do a full launch. I guess it's safe.
3.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Nissan won, completing the standing quarter mile in 8.9 seconds. The Audi was second with a time of 9.4 seconds, and the McLaren was last, crossing the line in 9.7 seconds. Now, a lot of you watching might be thinking, Matt, this button, and I've got full boot. 3, 2, 1. Quick, that's enough, I've won.
You got away nicely, then you kind of didn't.
You know, your bonnet started lifting up and I thought,
Well, it looks like you're on beach buggy tyres anyway, that's why.
Final test then, from 70 miles an hour. Anyway, the line is coming. You're supposed to be level with it. Played out exactly as I thought it would. Are you happy? And Sam, you're the last loser.